It's really important to consider that your dog has a limited amount of competition, and if you're doing agility, for example, jumps in their life, you don't know what that number is, you don't know what that time period is. We want to conserve their bodies so that they can do well in the competitions and enjoy them, but also so that they can have lifelong health and be comfortable, healthy parts of our family and not be sore. So when we look over the yearly period, we are looking at those monthly periods, at those weekends, and how much we're doing over those monthly periods. But I'm also looking at big events over my yearly calendar. Big events that they might not be big events like nationals, but they might be events that I'm putting a lot of time or money investment in, like having to travel towards. I want to make the use of those events that I'm like really excited about. So I want my dogs to be adequately prepared physically. That means, as I'm going over the year, two things. One, ensuring that I have sufficient break periods over my yearly period. And two, really working hard on the lead up to those big events to make sure that my dogs are in peak physical condition as we go into those weekends or those competitions or those trips that we're doing. So when we have a dog that's more advanced, so a physically mature, very advanced dog, so sort of 6, 7, 8 years old, potentially depending on their fitness levels, we can advance the sprinting either by increasing the distances that we're sending them or asking them to do more complex skills while they're sprinting. So this is my adaptation for Dio. He's a smaller dog, so I'm doing this in an inside surface because I can't increase the distance. It's very cold here in New Zealand in winter. I like to use my shed if I can. So I'm making it more physically difficult by having things that he can target in the middle of his sprinting where he's sending and wrapping around items. So he's targeting a platform in the middle, and then he's running and sprinting and turning nice and tight. So although he's not going as fast as Evo was with the sprints, these are more physically difficult sprints in a different way.